when we are stopping here, and then you have chance or state parliament for the newly formed right now, because of cold, and the people believe that if you feed the birds, then birds are not picking the grain, birds are picking, and that's in the front. That's what this is royal complex, and that's in the front. It's the temporary shelter home. 365 days a year, royal family. Like he can read the palm also, good palmist, and sometimes he will.
In 1724, second in Banaras. And after 1880, the train transport, the telegram are came here in India. The Indians use a Indian Standard Time. And Indian Standard Time follow the founder of observatories. Prakash is a light, Yantra it's machine. The light machine of Jai Singh and the light machine divided into two complements. There are 12 sunshine instruments are here, and all the instruments are standing on a different angle.
Sun go on the top, shadow go to the down. Similar.
Yeah. Fold it?
Yeah, see,
Oh,
See the
oh, in the tray?
in the tray.
That's how tight you can fold them, is it?
I think so.
Then you probably spend a lot of
No,
time.
it isn't. It's those wooden
Ah, okay.
things. I thought. One newly laid turf in. We're trying to take photos.
Other guy, isn't he?
No, he's Japanese.
Ah. Look, she's smiling away.
This is going to be a small demonstration.
Shows what we know.
The drop of water is on the.
You're right, I'm over the top of it. I've got to get the position exactly right, eh?
You can't block it.
Namaste, everybody.
Been doing it all his life, I guess.
You like the country? Yeah. I like you all. I have the most senior artist right here. He has been doing this job from last 9 years of experience. 30 years ago, he was in the village doing this job. So we have made a platform for these artists come together, show to the guests how you survive, how you work, how the family works. So this is the work they do, is the block printing. But olden days, they used to cut the potato. But the beauty of this work, you know, how he goes on with the color blocks. The first color right here. Is the color from the morning glory flower. The green from the spinach, the yellow from turmeric, the black from andesite, the color from the henna, bark of the mango leaf, all natural dyes and natural colors. And now the final one. Yeah, even we did. This takes only 5 minutes of yours. I know very well. Now come the most difficult part is the color block. Oh yeah. There we are.
Now you do it. Now you put the block on. You put the block on.
The skill is placing it straight.
You don't see white elephant, eh? So we have the color for the elephant now.
He's getting into it. Ooh, that was a heavy.
Give him a good hand.
Yeah.
The difficult part is to put the color in a particular place. Work for 2 hours, go back for different job and different work. Because this job, there's not enough.
I am shocking.
Come forward, come closer. Come forward.
So what is he doing?
Burning the carpet.
Right here is the back of the woolen carpet, is the back. And this carpet has been done in the village, the houses. When the carpet gets finished, some of the extra hair, some of the extra wood, the carpet, which is left behind. So you can't cut them. But please don't try this back home. And then from here, the most interesting process of washing of a carpet. Let's see right here. Come forward, walk on the carpet. Then the washing. This brings softness to the wool, sheet to the carpet.
So fast, aren't they? Incredible.
And then what we have is a carpet barber.
Again, I couldn't sit like that
This
for
is for the
just a
long
second.
hair.
No, me neither.